Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video we are going to do a baby shower centerpiece. But wait, most of the stuff that I use for this centerpiece is from Dollar Tree. So you can do this project with like $5. Yes, you heard right, $5. Okay? Wait. And something else I really want to take time out. I need to take time out because I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. I am truly grateful. And if you are new, please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. Because you guys, I got so many projects I want to push out and show you. So many. Not to mention that you must highlight your words and hit weld right here at the bottom right hand corner. I already did it, that's why it's not highlighted, but please make sure you highlight it and hit weld. All right, okay, I am going to go over everything that you will need. Okay, so you're going to need your yardsticks, you're going to need a box, your balloon, and then you will need something, anything to give your box weight. You can use rice, dried beans, rocks. I am going to use these. Okay, then you're going to need ribbon, any ribbon of your choice. And you're going to need, I'm going to use my thread for my bow. And of course, you're going to need your images, one for the front and one for the back. And I am going to add my words on there. I already read it out and it's ready to go. And I'm going to actually use my little Cricut tool to help me put it on the balloon. And yeah, that is it. And a little quick note to you. Most of the items that you see here is from Dollar Tree. You can even find ribbon. This is not from Dollar Tree, but you can also find ribbon from Dollar Tree, okay? So this is a very inexpensive baby shower centerpiece, but it is super cute. Okay, you guys, and I didn't know if I mentioned my glue gun. Don't crack on my glue gun. I know, but it gets the job done. All right. And also you will need your foam, floral foam. This is the hard, well, it's not super hard, but it's hard enough. So a piece of foam. We're not going to use this whole thing, just a little piece off of it. You'll see. Okay, we're going to start with our box. Okay, so this is what the box look like. Now you might not have to do this step. You might get a different box, but if you get a box that's similar to this one with the bow on it, we are going to remove the bow. So I'm simply going to take, I'm sorry if you can see, take my scissors and cut. And we're going to pull this right out because we don't need that. Okay, so now it looks like that, nice and plain. All right. Now, next I am going to put ribbon around my box. Now wait, hold on, I want to show y'all something. Okay, this is where your creative juices need to flow, all right? Because you don't necessarily even need ribbon. Like, if let's say we're doing a boy teddy bear or something, and you don't want to use ribbon. Look, you can use this colorful tape from Dollar Tree. Tape up your box and boom, you got a real pretty box, all right? But I am going to go ahead and rock with the ribbon. I'm going to wrap my ribbon around the box, and I'll be back. Okay, now we are going to cut us a piece of foam. So just open up your foam. Okay. Now I'm just going to use my scissors to cut it. All we need is a little piece, nothing fancy. Ooh, that's good right there. That piece like that. Okay. Now you're going to take your box, your lid, flip it upside down, and we're just simply going to glue our piece of foam right onto the box. Like that. That's it. Alright. And you're going to take your scissors and kind of poke a hole right in the center of the box, if you can. There you go. Nothing fancy. Make sure our foam didn't come off. We good. Just like that. Okay, so this is what my box is looking like. Now I must tell you, I actually switched out my box for a bigger box. It's the exact same type of box, but bigger. All right, so this one's all ready to go. All right. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna take our stick. We're gonna take one out of here, and also it comes with these little, I don't know what them things, the little piece right here. We need one of those too. All right. So we got our stick, the little piece, and now we need our, we're gonna wait for this. Here's our lid all ready to go. Make sure that's the right one. Yep, that's the right one. And I am simply going to put, how did I do this? Let me see, that might be too. Okay, we're gonna put our stick in the hole. Can y'all see what I'm doing? You're gonna have to work it in there. Okay. I'm gonna have to poke the hole in there again because I'm having it act like it don't want to go in. Okay. Get my stick. Oh, before I do this, let me tell y'all, you can make this as long as you want, like as tall as you want, should I say, because the pack also comes with little attachments, and you can stick two of them together and use your scissors and cut whatever part you don't want, just cut it right off and it'll get a height that you want. So I just wanted to tell y'all that. Okay, now back to what we were doing. I'm gonna take the little stick and stick it back in the hole. See if it'll go in this time. Woo! Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. So this is what we have. Okay, now we're gonna put our images onto our box, just like so. Ooh, she kind of lopsided, ain't she? So we're gonna have to, let me see, just position her where you want. Remember, one's for the front. Which one is the front? This is the front. This is gonna be the front. So let me find out what my front of my box is gonna be, because my ribbon is on here kind of crooked, but you know, you get the idea. So this is gonna be my front. Okay. She's gonna be the front. So I am simply going to add a dot of glue right here, my hot glue stick, and just stick her on there. See how I want her. Just like that. Just to hold it in place, to see, you know, make sure you want her. Now you're going to do the same thing with the back. You're going to turn your box around, but you're going to line her up with the other one, just like that. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the stick, just like that, and stick her on there, but line her up to be even with the other one, just like so. Hold her in place. I think that's pretty good. Now I am going just to simply take my glue gun and just do little dots, or you can trace it or however you want to do it. It really don't matter. I'm just going to do little dots and stick the two images together. And that's all you got to do. Boom. Just like that. Do the bottom. Let's just stick them together. Turn it around so we can do the other side. A little glue up here. Just go around it. I think that's good. I think that's good enough. Let me add a little bit more right here. Okay. Oh, and before I go any further, I forgot to tell you what paper I used for my images. Okay? You get that? This is the paper that I use for all of my images. I don't care if I'm doing toppers, all my projects. I like to use photo paper for an inkjet printer. This is what I use. This is key. This makes your colors pop. It get that glossy look. Very, very pretty. This is what I use, okay? I order it. You can order it off of Amazon, or you can even pick it up at Walmart. All right? So this is what I use to get this look. All right? Okay. Okay, the next step I'm going to do is simply blow up my balloon. Easy peasy. Okay, there you have it. All blown up. Now, what I'm going to do is take this little piece and simply put it on our balloon. Let's see. And then there's this little piece right here. Let me get closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. This piece right here, I'm simply going to wrap the balloon around that. Just like that. Boom. There it is. And to secure it a little bit better, I'm actually going to add some tape. But not yet. I'm going to stick it onto the stick and then add the tape. Okay, you guys, I removed the lid and back to the box, okay? So now I'm going to take these and simply put them in there. Okay, you guys, we almost there. We're almost there. All right, that's good. We good. We good. Okay, put my lid on the box. Just like that. Okay, you guys, now I moved our little centerpiece over here because I need like a wall. Even though this isn't a wall, but you know, I'm in a basement. You get the picture. I need something so I can put my decal on my balloon. I need something to kind of stabilize it and hold it in place for me. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's what we're about to do. So, I'll be back when I put on my little decal. So now I can stick it on there and the little wall gonna help me out. Okay, you guys. Oh, look, it looks so cute. It looks so good, you guys. Oh, man. Dollar Tree stuff, you guys. Y'all sleeping on that Dollar Tree, man. I'm telling you. Let me step back a little bit. Oh, that is so cute. And we ain't even finished. Okay, now let's go ahead and get our bow done. Okay, you guys. Now we're going to make our bow. Grab your ribbon. Pull out some. I don't know. I can't tell you how long that is. Just pull you out some. Like that. Like that. Well, like that. Y'all see that? See my hand? See my other hand? Like that. Okay. I'll take my scissors and cut it. These are some crappy scissors. Ooh. I gotta get me some scissors, but we're gonna make them work. Okay, so it's super easy, you guys. I'm just gonna take the piece of ribbon. See my hand? See my hand? Let me see if y'all can see. And I'm gonna take it and wrap it around my hand like that. Okay, you see that? Then I'm gonna take it and do it like that. And I am simply going to try to fold it, make sure. Okay, you guys, we are finished. This is what we are rocking with. How cute. Yes, you guys. Now, I did go ahead and add a little flowers. It just seemed kind of plain to me. So I had to snazz it up a little bit. Like I said, use your creativity. So this is what you can create for around $5. I know you guys got stuff around the house. Use it. And go to the dollar stores, wherever you don't have it, you spend a few bucks and boom. Baby shower centerpiece. You can also use it for a birthday party. There you have it. With that being said, y'all have a good one.